Alright, so I've just spent some time on the Canyon Aeroad CF SLX 8 AXS 26, and the big question is, does this thing actually justify the price? First impressions. This is pure speed. You're looking at a bike that's basically built for one thing, going fast in a straight line. The aeroframe is extremely aggressive, and Canyon claims it's one of the fastest setups in the Peloton-level aero category. On the spec side, you're getting a SRAM Force AXS wireless group set with a power meter paired with deep section zip wheels. And honestly, the shifting feels crisp, clean, and very race-focused. But here's the real talk. This is not a comfort bike. The geometry is stiff, responsive, and pretty unforgiving on rough roads. Great if you're racing or pushing hard solo rides, not so great if you want all-day relaxed cruising. Value-wise, that's where it gets tricky. You're paying a premium for aero gains that most riders won't fully exploit unless they're racing or training seriously. So is it worth it? If speed is your obsession, yes. If not, you might be better off with something more versatile. Bottom line, fast, sharp, but very purpose-built.